Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari, who on more than occasion called at various officials over delay infrastructure projects, said there is a cartel working in the cement and steel industry and pitched for reforms in order for faster completion of the project. Well, there is a cartel in cement and steel industry. Every steel company has its own iron ore mines, and there has been no increase in labor and power costs, but they are increasing rates. It is difficult for me to understand, Gadkari said while interacting with the Builders Association of India Western region via video conferencing. Well, he also accused the cement factories of exploiting the situation, which is not in national interest. We are planning to implement infrastructure projects worth rupees 111 lakh crores in the next 5 years. But if rates of steel and cement continue like this, it will be very difficult for us, Gadkari added.
Increase in power rates, but still they are increasing their rates. It is difficult for me to understand. At the same time, regarding cement factory also, they are always taking the advantage of the situation, and it is I feel that it is they are exploiting the situation. It's not good for the national interest. We are planning to implement the infrastructure of 111 lakh crores in the next 5 years. And it is the dream of our Prime Minister to make the economy of $5 trillion, and where we have to make this infrastructure. So if this type of rate of cement and steel will be go on, it will be rather very difficult for us. We are on the process of finding out the solution for that. One of the suggestion is regulator authority for steel and cement. That is also a good suggestion. I will look into it, but ultimately all decisions are not in my hands. I have to take it to the Finance Ministry and Prime Minister. I will look into it, but it is also one of the important issue where I am a problem for all of us. I have discussed this issue with the Prime Minister. The Principal Secretary for Prime Minister also I have discussed in length. Actually, I feel that this is a cartel by some big people are doing in cement and steel.